And I came early.
You get to open just one gift.
What's that goofy face for? This one's for Evan, this one's for Laura.
This is not present.
What's this? Show us. What is it, Laura? Santa brought you something.
Not a present.
What is it? Show Mom. You have to show the camera what you got.
Not a present.
Honey, what did you get?
Not a present.
Aurora, those are your
What did
favorites.
you get, Evan? Tear it.
Just open it. Aurora, those are your favorite, honey. Don't you love those? Don't you love that gift?
What do you say, Laura?
Aurora, don't you like those? Aren't you supposed to get things that you like? Aurora? Aurora?
Open it up, huh? Oh, goodness, Evan.
Evan, rip it.
The middle, Evan. What did you get, Evan? What are you asking?
What did you get? Show me.
Why are you guys so...
An empty water jug. And tostadas. Do you like them?
Say Merry Christmas.
Not me.
Why is it not Merry Christmas, Laura?
T-I.
I did it.